Hello and welcome to a new video, Control Suite for Omnichannel Capture. I'm Sunil Sharma and thanks for joining me. As you may already know, Control Suite is a platform product which combines print, capture and mobile print and capture into this intelligent and integrated product which can equip your organizations to engage today like the digital workforces of tomorrow. And Control Suite is able to deliver this digital transformation because it supports multi-channel input and output environments. As you see on the left hand side, these are some of the various input sources that Control Suite supports. We capture the information from these sources. We process those information using various automation processes on that captured information, and then we connect to back-end solutions like document management systems or ERP solutions to deliver the captured information in a usable format. In today's video, I'm going to cover a few of those capture sources and demonstrate how we can help organizations create meaningful forms for capture of information from these sources. And once the information is captured, we can work on that information by connecting to databases, ERP solutions, and output this information to any of your business processes. This could be a CRM, ERP, or a follow you print solution of your choice. So we'll get into a demo where I will demonstrate the form which can be presented to the end user on any of these capture sources, where the form will help the user to file away project related files into fixed folder hierarchy, where project ID is the top level folder, the tasks create the subfolders, and the files are underneath the specific task. Let's see it in action. So here in the demo, the first capture source we will look at is scanning from an MFD. So this MFD has a print management Equitrack installed. I log in with my card or PIN code, and I have some print management workflows and my scanning workflows. So for this whole demo, we will concentrate on scan to projects as my workflow because I want to scan some files, paper-based files, into my projects folder. So the first thing I will do is look for my project, and I can search for my projects in a long list, or I can scroll through my list and select the project. As soon as I select the project, this project description is listed here for a visual confirmation for me to make sure it's the correct project that I have selected, and the task that I'm doing. So I have some updated agreements on this office site that we are finalizing, and I would go ahead and scan these documents. So that finishes the scan. The documents will go into these folders, and we will look at the documents at a later stage. Next, we will look at capturing documents from users' desktop. With Control Suite, we include a capture tool to capture documents from the users' files and folders and desktops. In this case, I have a Word document and I am ready to now file away into the projects folder. I will have a new plugin here called Auto Capture, and by using this, I would get similar workflows that I had on the MFD, and I will be able to send this document to my projects folder. And here, similar functionality. The first thing, I will choose my project. Once I've chosen my project description is displayed, and all the different tasks that are available for that particular project. So I want to file away this document into this project folder, and once I'm ready to do that, I will be able to send this document off to the projects folder straight from the Word. Next, we will look at documents which are files on our desktop. I can also right click on any existing file and use the send to auto capture functionality to capture files directly from my desktop or folders into my required repository. So I will go and again send this file to projects, and this time the project is warehouse relocation project. It shows me the description, and the task that we have is site inspection reports, which is the presentation that was made, and I can send it off to the projects folder from my desktop. Next, we will look at the same plugin is also available in all Office application, and it is available in Outlook as well. And if I have a email that I want to file away as an email into my projects folders, I can easily do that. I can go to my mail, go to the auto capture plugin, choose the projects folder. Again, I will first choose the project that I'm working on, and let's say this is interior refresh. Project description is shown here, and the task that I have to perform, this is the color scheme one of the designers have sent me. So I want to file away into the projects folder so that it is available for everyone to see. I would be able to send this email with the attachment as a email format so that it can always be restored as an email into the projects folder. Next, let us look at another unique offering from Kofax to capture PDF files from users' desktop. For this, we will use Kofax Power PDF, and as many of you might know, Power PDF is Kofax PDF editing software for the desktop. Very powerful and very feature rich. Here in this demo, I will quickly combine a PDF file with a Word file and then send it off to the projects folder. So I just dragged and dropped a Word file onto a PDF file, which helps me combine these two files together. And once my file is ready, now I will be able to save this into my projects folder straight from within the Power PDF application. I will go into my connections and go into the same workflows that appear for me. I will choose the send to projects workflow, and I will be able to now file away this document, a PDF file that I created on the fly by combining a PDF file and a Word file into the projects folder. So I'm choosing the workstation upgrade project, and project description is automatically displayed, and I will choose the task and send this document off to the projects folder. The last capture source we will look at is mobile capture. As many of you are aware, with Control Suite we include a mobile capture solution which allows you to capture images and data and send them to the repository of your choice. So I'm going into my activities. I will select scan to projects. I'm going to do an update on the parking upgrade, and the project description is automatically displayed, and the task is I'm doing a signage. And at this point I can attach images. It could be images from my camera roll, or I can take live images and upload. So I will take an image and use this photograph to update to the projects folder. From here, from the mobile device, all the metadata and the images will go into my projects folder. So far I have demonstrated capturing documents and files from different sources and using the same form template that was presented on each of the source. Those files have all been pushed into my projects folder, and a folder is created for each project, and under that project a folder has been created for each task, and the files that were either uploaded or scanned or through the mobile, they have been put in the documents folder. So this was updated by Sunil S and today's date. All of this is configurable. The namings of the file and the folders is configurable, but what I was trying to show today was the different methods of capture, and all of those methods of capture have a consistent look and feel. So this was the email which was captured using the Outlook, and you saw all the other different captures that we have done today. Finally, let's summarize what we covered in the demo. We saw capturing documents from various sources and how we could put it into the required structure in Windows or any other repository that we support. And we also saw what Omni Capture in Control Suite means, because we saw capturing from an MFD, we saw capturing from a Word integration, Microsoft Office integration. The similar integration was available in email, Outlook, and in Power PDF with PDF files. and finally on mobile for mobile capture. So the idea is that we offer different sources of captures, and in all those sources we present a same form for you, which helps the uptake of capture workflows in the entire organization, because we make it easy to capture from various sources. Thank you.